Hi, I'm Simon. I'm the business owner of Dream Doors in Gloucester, covering the whole of the Gloucestershire area and based in Stroud. We can basically transform your kitchen by doing as little or as much as you like. Could be just a door swap, could be a complete rip out. We specialise in the makeover, so we would change your doors, change your worktops. We can also provide you with appliances, sinks. We've got a full range of kitchens from ultra modern through to contemporary and traditional. Really everything that you could need for your kitchen. We've got a lot for you to see here. It'd be nice if you could come down, pop in, have a look around. We're open 6 days a week, so there's plenty of opportunity for you to come in. You can have a look at the worktops, the doors. As I say, nice for you to pop down. It'd be great to see you. We look forward to seeing you soon.